Ní gbogbo ìgbà tí wọ́n bá ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ pé ọ̀kan ṣoṣo ní Nàìjíríà, ó máa ń ó máa ń bàyàn nínú jẹ́. Ṣé àwọn tó ń sọ pé ọ̀kan ṣoṣo ní Nàìjíríà báyìí, ṣé wọ́n ponú ni? Ṣé àwọn tó sọ pé ọ̀kan ṣoṣo ní Nàìjíríà, wọn ò rí n tó ń lọ, etí ń dùn wọ́n, àbí ìkà ni wọ́n? Pàápàá jùlọ, àwọn aríjẹnídìí mọ̀dàrú tí wọ́n ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ò lè pín lẹ́yìn amalgamation tí ó ti expire. Ẹ ẹ̀ lè ti ewúrẹ́ àti ẹkùn mọ́nú ilé. Kò sírú agídí téwúrẹ́ ní tágbára ẹkùn ò ní kà, torí ìkà ń bẹ nínú ẹkùn tẹ́lẹ̀. Ewúrẹ́ kàn ń fẹsẹ̀ halẹ̀ ni. Ẹ ẹ̀ lè pa èèyàn re pọ̀ mọ́ èèyàn bì. Ó ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀, wọ́n ti pa wá pọ̀. Wọ́n ti pè wá ní one Nigeria without same culture, same language, same reasoning. We don't have anything in common. Kò sí nǹkan kan tá a ní tá a lè fi pe ara wa ní èèyàn kan ṣoṣo. Now, àwọn ẹranko tó gbáwó èèyàn wọ̀, wọ́n ti pa wọ́n pọ̀ mọ́ èèyàn. Bó o la ṣe fẹ́ kúrò láàrin ẹranko tó gbáwó èèyàn wọ̀, wọ́n sì láwọn ò ní gbà, dandan ni káwọn máa fi àwọn èèyàn ṣoúnjẹ. Kò sí n tẹ́ranko ò lè jẹ, kò síwà tẹ́ranko ò lè hù. Ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ ẹ bá mágùtà àtewúrẹ́ papọ̀, ẹ mọ̀ wípé wọn ò lè jọ gbé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ̀rọ̀ àwọn northerners, especially àwọn Fulani àtàwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yòókù bíi middle belt, bíi southern part. Àwọn northerners yìí, ìgbàgbọ́ wọn yàtọ̀ sí tiwa. Bó o lẹ ṣe ń pè wá lọ́kan náà, ìkà mọ̀ ni yín. Òyìnbó tó ṣe pẹ́ńsù ló ṣe eraser. Ṣùgbọ́n torí àti jẹ, kówó aráàlú jẹ, ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan, kò jẹ́ kí àwọn tó ń darí wa, àwọn olóṣèlú yìí, kò jẹ́ kán lo àwọn, mi ò sọ pé gbogbo olóṣèlú, ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti kó 80%, èèyàn ó generalize ẹ̀, èèyàn á pa wọ́n pọ̀ ni, ẹrú kan ni mú ní bùgbé ẹrú. Ó jẹ́ kán máa wo ojú tó yẹ kán fi kọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn fi ríran, wọ́n fi ń tẹ̀lẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé wọn ò ríran o. Ni mo fi sọ pé tẹ́lòmíì bá ń campaign, á sọ pé òun ó dirún, òun ó dìgbà. Tí wọ́n bá sọ fún yín lónìí pé iná orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ṣì lè rí bó ṣe rí yìí, ṣé ẹ̀ka iṣẹ́ mọ̀nàmọ́ná ò ní alákòóso ni? Níbi tí Nàìjíríà dàgbà dé lónìí, ṣó yẹ kán máa gba owó iná lọ́wọ́ àwọn tí ò lóná, àgàgà bóyá ti gbé transformer wọn lọ? Ipa wo níjọba ń kó allegedly? Ṣé lóòótọ́ lówó tí wọ́n ní ìjọba ń gbà lọ́wọ́ àwọn oníṣẹ́ mọ̀nàmọ́ná tí wọ́n tà á fún ló gọbọi? Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Èmi ò mọ̀ o. Àwọn tó bá ń jáná kiri náà sọ pé iye tí àwọn gan ń san fúnjọba, a lè ní kíjọba má gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín torí ẹ̀yin náà ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ aráàlú. Now, let me come back to àwọn northerners, pàápàá jùlọ lórí ẹ̀sìn. Ìkà pọ̀ nínú ẹ̀yin adarí wa. Ẹ ṣe bí ẹni pé ẹ̀ gbọ́, ẹ ṣe bí ẹni pé ẹ̀ rí, ẹ ṣe bí ẹni pé ẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé ikú tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn, ikú oró ni látọwọ́ àwọn Fulani militias, àwọn northerners tí wọ́n gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn Mùsùlùmí lórí. Ìtò ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí sì ń fi hàn wípé orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó wà nínú ewu tó pọ̀. àgbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sàn bẹ̀ lójoojúmọ́ nítorí àti sọ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí dẹlẹ́sìn kan bí gbogbo ayé ṣe wá ń sọ tó tí wọ́n ní torí nǹkan báyìí we are free to say it tó bá jẹ́ pé n tá a gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin lẹ lè fi ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ fún wa pé ṣé lóòótọ́ ni àbí kọ́ jáde kẹ́ ẹ sọ pé ìdí tí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí yìí tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe a sì ti ń wọ́nà àbáyọ sí ìrìn àjò tá a fẹ́ rìn léléyìí àwọn kan dẹ̀ hàn lẹ́jì pé àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá pàápàá jùlọ wọ́n wà nù ìjọba tí wọ́n ń ṣe agbátẹrù àwọn èèyàn yìí bọ́ọ̀tà kẹ́ ẹ sọ pé rọ ni. èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Jos Plateau a gbọ́ pé àwọn pípù yìí ti sọ̀rọ̀ terrorist yìí pé àwọn ń bọ̀ wá strike bá àwẹ̀ bá parí wọ́n ní ẹ̀ sì ti wà ń bẹ̀ pé bẹ̀ gan ni wọ́n ti gba àwẹ̀. àwọn ológun ò sì rí nǹkan kan àwọn ológun tó ń kú sójú ìjà náà ọ̀gá wọn ní káwọn tó ń pa wọ́n kán máa rí ìdáríjì gbà torọ́ ọmọ onínàkúnà ni wọ́n lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ sí ìdáríjì kán dẹ̀ tún gbèsè ayé wọn ṣe láwọn tó ń pa tí wọ́n fi ẹ̀mí àwọn aláìṣẹ̀ ṣòfò. ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ṣágbára yíká àti dẹ́kun agbésùnmọ̀mí ó wá hàn gbangba pé ihun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Plateau ní Jos kì í ṣe ìgbésùnmọ̀mí nìkan mọ́ ó ti di genocide ìgbésùnmọ̀mí sáwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì. àwọn pípù yìí ń sọ pé àwọn ò fẹ́ rí kìrìsìtẹ́nì mọ́ wọ́n láwọn ò fẹ́ rí kìrìsìtẹ́nì mọ́. ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Bauchi ẹ jẹ́ fi fídíò ẹ̀ hàn yín. arákùnrin kan tí wọ́n ní ó wọ mọ́tò bọ́ọ̀sì ìgbà tó dé Bauchi junction àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí dá wọn lọ́nà wọ́n wá ní kìrìsìtẹ́nì wo ló wà nù mọ́tò yìí. àyòkù wa ojú ara wa pé ó ní ẹjọ́ fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ bóyá arọ ní genocide tí a ń sọ bọ́ yóò tọ́ ni ẹjẹ́ àjọ wo fídíò yẹn.
My name is Tayo Johnson. I was coming from Kogi State, from Kaba. That is my residence place, family place. So I went and visited them. I do stay in Gombe. On my way coming, I bought a vehicle from Abuja to Bauchi. When we reach Bauchi Junction there, we continue just a kilometer, just a meter some forward. Then some people came to attack us. Yeah, they said, where is the Christian inside the vehicle? I said, those people were looking for back. They look at me that the Christian. This man from glass, she took glass to leave, took a knife in hand. Then I now rushed. They now pulled me out vehicle. Because I sat there back of driver, they pulled me out. This thing, they are selling cutlass, the machetes, different things they have, about 10 or say, drag me, carry stone, big stone, hit me, carry out up, they release it. They hated me everywhere. They thought that I'm dead. They never left me. They left. Small time I be able to wake up, I see them, they are disappear. I now started running. They see that I started running, they follow me again second time. They fought, they talked at me, and I died the second time. They left. So I sleep there for more than 1 hour. Later on, I now rescue safety operation police, the police, they not came to rescue me where I slept. That's why I don't even know how I meet myself at the hospital, because I was lying down. I thought that I'm dead.
That was at Bauchi Junction.
Yeah, that's Ochibom Junction.
Do you remember what time it was?
Around 8 something, 8:30 to 9. That is.
How many people did you see?
They are numerous. They are more than 10. They are more than 10. They come at cutlass differently. They want the even cutlass. They go and bring a stone, big stone. I don't thank God I'm on my bed because I find myself I'm dead. I am not dead. I'm not happy. God is with me. Thank you. If I see driver, I can recognize it. My bag behind is there. But we reach at least we reach 6, 7 in the vehicle.
All the rest were allowed to go because
Yes, the rest are allowed to go because I see them talking before I enter the vehicle. So I don't know why they are talking. Later on, we now met them. Then they understood what uh, speaking because they speak to each other. They speaking to each other. The vehicle before the vehicle started. They speaking to each other. So I don't understand what they speaking to each other. Until I find them, the driver solo drove us off because their time. This time they stop me. Driver can zoom up and then the driver stood say that they check the vehicle very well as if they have communication. I did expected driver to drove off the space. Driver stop totally. They should do whatever to do. I thank God. Yes.
what you mean is when they dragged you out and started beating you, what did the driver do? Did he take the other people and he left with them or something? What happened?
Yes, the driver took the other people are left with them. And I'm only me. I'm only me.
Where is your family?
They are co-residents in Kogi State.
Have you been able to reach any of them?
No, I can't break. It's
Do you know
only
how?
Bishop Gombe that saw me in the media. I'm Anglican church member. So he saw that Jonathan, an Anglican church member, that they should come and check me. They came, they checked me. Yes.
And you lost your phone in the incident.
Yes, they pack all my money, pack anything, paper, nothing they left behind. They pack all the things belonging to me. They pack it and go.
Sorry, sir. Is there anyone taking care of you? How can we reach them? We want to come back and see what we can do for you.
Well, those there's no one yet. I said Bishop of Gombe that called one more mother that they communicate with the mother. So they are communicating with the mother as of now. Yes.
Right now, who is with you at the hospital?
Nobody yet. Nobody yet. Nobody. Because I was even a printer, their printer. Those churches are under Gigan norms me very well. Because they are printer for a long time. Yes.
The name of the church again?
Cathedral St. Peter's Anglican Church. Gombe. Yes.
We'll reach out to some Anglican
Yes, sir.
members there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Apá kìíní lẹ wò yẹn o. Mo sì máa kọ̀ǹtínú ètò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí, pàápàá jùlọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ genocide tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Mo kí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò wá. Ẹ jẹ́ á pín bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́jọ́ má pọ̀ jù lójú kan. Ká má waste data lójú kan. Ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò wá. Bitter Truth lètò. Jùgbà Master Channels lẹ tí ń wò wá. Ṣeun Agboola lórúkọ tèmi. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀. Gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn ènìyàn tó ń ta ẹ̀jẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ẹni ó bá fi ipá idà pààyàn, wọ́n fi pa. Agbépo lọ́jà ò jalè bí ẹni tó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹni tó mọ̀ sí ìṣekúpani tó ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà idọ̀ Ọlọ́run á jòwèrè lórí òun àtẹ̀bí ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé.